I'm sure you've heard the news. History is full of mysteries. It whispers of secrets hidden from our view. What if I told you some of these secrets are closer than you think? Across the globe there are discoveries that have been kept from the public eye. Some are ancient, buried for millennia. Others are more recent, shrouded in government secrecy. Join me as we explore some of the most unbelievable discoveries kept hidden from the public. These are not mere conspiracy theories. These are tangible places, objects, and events that hint at a deeper, more mysterious reality. Prepare yourself to question what you think you know. Let's begin our journey into the unknown. Don't forget to subscribe to the ZipTens channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest discoveries. In 1963, a man in Turkey stumbled upon an unbelievable discovery. While renovating his home, he uncovered a passageway. This was no ordinary passage. It led to a vast underground city hidden for centuries. The city was Derinkuyu. Derinkuyu was a marvel of ancient engineering. It contained homes, churches, and even stables. This underground city could house up to 20,000 people. It was a self-sufficient world, complete with ventilation shafts and water wells. But why was it built? And by whom? The true purpose of Derinkuyu remains a mystery. Some believe it was a refuge from invaders. Others speculate it was a secret meeting place for a mysterious religious sect. Whatever its purpose, Derinkuyu stands as a testament to the secrets that lie hidden beneath our feet. In 1969, the world watched as Neil Armstrong took his first steps on the moon. It was a giant leap for mankind. But what if I told you there was more to the story, something the public wasn't supposed to hear? During the Apollo 11 mission, the astronauts reported strange occurrences. They witnessed unusual lights and heard unexplained radio signals. These signals, picked up when the lunar module was on the far side of the moon, remain unexplained. Could this be evidence of extraterrestrial contact? The official explanation is that these were natural phenomena. However, many believe these events were deliberately downplayed. Was the public shielded from the truth about what was found on the moon? The mystery of the Apollo 11 signals continues to fuel speculation and debate. Deep beneath the earth in China lies an emperor's tomb. This is no ordinary tomb, it belongs to Qin Shi Huang, the first emperor of China. He was obsessed with immortality, and his tomb reflects this. Guarding the tomb is the Terracotta Army. Thousands of life-sized clay soldiers, each with unique features, stand ready for battle. The tomb itself is said to contain unimaginable treasures, however it remains unopened. Why? The answer lies in ancient texts. They describe the tomb as being filled with traps and rivers of mercury. The levels of mercury are said to be lethal. The Chinese government, wary of damaging the tomb and its contents, has chosen to leave it undisturbed. For now, the secrets of Qin Shi Huang's tomb remain buried with him. The Enigma of Oak Island. Off the coast of Nova Scotia lies a small island with a big secret. This island, known as Oak Island, has intrigued and mystified people for generations. Oak Island has been the subject of intrigue for centuries. Its allure has drawn countless adventurers and treasure hunters to its shores. It all started in 1795 with the discovery of a mysterious pit. This discovery set off a chain of events that would span centuries. This pit, known as the Money Pit, was expertly constructed. Its design and complexity suggested a level of engineering that seemed advanced for its time. It showed signs of engineering beyond the capabilities of the time. The intricate design included layers of logs, clay, and coconut fibers, materials not native to the area. Treasure hunters became convinced it held something valuable. Theories ranged from pirate treasure to lost artifacts of immense historical significance. Over the years, numerous attempts have been made to excavate the pit. Each new expedition brought with it hope and determination. But each attempt has been met with failure and disaster. The pit's defenses seemed almost insurmountable. Flooding, cave-ins, and even deaths have plagued the search for the treasure of Oak Island. The island's treacherous conditions have claimed many lives. Some believe the pit is cursed. Legends speak of a curse that will claim 7 lives before the treasure is found. Others believe it holds a secret so valuable that it must remain hidden at any cost. Theories abound, but the truth remains elusive. The mystery of Oak Island continues to captivate and confound, a testament to the enduring power of the unknown. As long as the enigma remains unsolved, the island will continue to draw those who seek to uncover its secrets. Section 6. The Secrets of the Vatican Archives. Within the walls of Vatican City lies a treasure trove of knowledge. The Vatican Archives contain a vast collection of historical documents. These documents date back centuries and hold secrets that could rewrite history. The archives contain letters from kings and queens, papal bulls, and even trial records. They hold information about the Crusades, the Inquisition, and the lives of the popes. Access to the archives is strictly limited. Only a select few scholars are allowed to view the documents. What secrets do these documents hold? Some believe they contain proof of alien life. Others believe they reveal the true nature of Jesus Christ. The Vatican is tight-lipped about the contents of the archives. This secrecy only fuels speculation about the secrets they hold. The mystery of the Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle is a region in the North Atlantic Ocean shrouded in mystery. It is known for the unexplained disappearances of ships and aircraft. Countless theories have been proposed to explain these events, but none have been definitively proven. Some blame magnetic anomalies or rogue waves for the disappearances. Others speculate that underwater methane eruptions could be responsible. Of course, there are those who believe that more extraordinary forces are at play. Could the Bermuda Triangle be a portal to another dimension? Or is it a hotbed of extraterrestrial activity? The truth remains elusive. The Bermuda Triangle continues to fascinate and frighten, a stark reminder of the vastness and mystery of our oceans. The Lost City of Atlantis, fact or fiction? The story of Atlantis is one of the most enduring tales of a lost civilization. It has fascinated historians, archaeologists, and adventurers for centuries. First described by the Greek philosopher Plato, Atlantis was a powerful and advanced island nation that sank beneath the waves in a single day and night. According to Plato, this catastrophic event was a punishment from the gods. While many dismiss Atlantis as a myth, some believe that Plato's story is based on a real historical event. They argue that the details in Plato's writings are too specific to be purely fictional. They point to geological evidence of catastrophic floods and volcanic eruptions that could have destroyed an entire island. These natural disasters are known to have occurred in the ancient world, lending some credibility to the tale. Could Atlantis be real, hidden beneath the ocean, waiting to be discovered? Modern technology has made it possible to explore the ocean depths like never before. The search for Atlantis continues to this day. With each new discovery, the mystery deepens, and the hope of finding Atlantis grows stronger. From the depths of the Atlantic to the Mediterranean Sea, explorers and archaeologists are searching for any sign of this lost civilization. They use advanced technology to scan the ocean floor and analyze underwater formations. Whether a myth or a historical reality, Atlantis continues to capture our imaginations. Its story reminds us of the fragility of civilizations and the enduring allure of the unknown. The Nazca Lines, messages from the past. In the arid desert of southern Peru, a mystery is etched into the earth. The Nazca Lines are a series of massive geoglyphs depicting animals, plants, and geometric shapes. Created by the ancient Nazca people, these lines are so large that they can only be fully appreciated from the air. The purpose of the Nazca Lines remains a mystery. Some believe they were astronomical calendars or markers for water sources. Others speculate that they were sacred pathways used in religious ceremonies. Could they be messages to the gods, or perhaps even landing strips for extraterrestrial visitors? Whatever their purpose, the Nazca Lines stand as a testament to the ingenuity and artistry of the ancient Nazca people. They are a reminder that the past holds many secrets yet to be unlocked. The Roswell Incident. What really happened? In the summer of 1947, something crashed in the New Mexico desert. The Roswell Incident remains one of the most debated events in UFO history. The official story is that the debris recovered from the crash site belonged to a weather balloon. However, many believe that the truth is far more extraordinary. Eyewitnesses reported seeing a disc-shaped object crash in the desert. Rumors spread of recovered alien bodies and a government cover-up. The Roswell incident quickly became a sensation, fueling the public's fascination with UFOs. Was it really just a weather balloon, or did something truly out of this world crash in Roswell? The debate continues, with believers and skeptics fiercely defending their positions. The truth, as they say, is out there. Area 51, the government's hidden truth. Deep in the Nevada desert lies a highly classified military base known as Area 51. Shrouded in secrecy, Area 51 has become synonymous with government conspiracies and UFO lore. Its true purpose remains classified, but that hasn't stopped speculation. Rumors abound of reverse-engineered alien technology, captured UFOs, and even contact with extraterrestrial beings. The government's secrecy surrounding Area 51 only fuels these rumors. Is the government hiding evidence of alien life? Or is Area 51 simply a testing ground for top-secret military technology? Whatever the truth may be, Area 51 continues to fascinate and intrigue. It stands as a reminder that there are still places in the world where secrets are closely guarded. The secrets of the pyramids. The pyramids of Egypt are among the most iconic and enigmatic structures on Earth. These ancient marvels have fascinated people for centuries, drawing millions of visitors each year to witness their grandeur. Built as tombs for the pharaohs, these massive structures have stood for millennia, testaments to the ingenuity and skill of the ancient Egyptians. The sheer size and precision of the pyramids continue to baffle modern engineers and architects. But the pyramids hold many secrets. Their interiors are a labyrinth of chambers and passageways, some of which remain unexplored to this day. How were they built with such precision, using only primitive tools? The methods and techniques employed by the ancient builders are still a subject of intense study and debate. What is the purpose of the hidden chambers and shafts within the pyramids? Some believe they were designed to confuse grave robbers, while others think they had religious or astronomical significance. And what secrets do the hieroglyphics on the walls hold? These ancient writings provide valuable insights into the culture and beliefs of the time, but many questions remain unanswered. These questions have puzzled archaeologists and historians for centuries. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding, yet the full story of the pyramids remains elusive. Some believe that the pyramids were built with the help of extraterrestrial beings. This theory, while controversial, adds another layer of mystery to these ancient structures. Others speculate that they hold the key to unlocking hidden knowledge about our past. Could the pyramids be a repository of ancient wisdom waiting to be deciphered? Whatever the truth may be, the pyramids continue to inspire awe and wonder, reminding us of the mysteries that still lie hidden in our world. They stand as a testament to human achievement and the enduring quest for knowledge. A discovery yet to be revealed. We've journeyed through history and across the globe, exploring some of the most unbelievable discoveries kept hidden from the public. But our exploration is far from over. There is one more discovery I want to share with you, a discovery so astonishing, so paradigm-shifting, that it has the potential to change everything we thought we knew about our place in the universe. This discovery is so sensitive, so shrouded in secrecy, that I cannot reveal its details here. But I promise you, it is real, it is tangible, and it will change everything. Stay tuned, my friends. The truth is out there, waiting to be unveiled. Don't miss out on our next revelation. Subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon, and give us a thumbs up to stay updated with the latest discoveries.